Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Precious Gold. Today's video, I'll be showing you guys an empty house tour of a two-bedroom apartment located in the city of Hatfield here in the United Kingdom. For quite some times now, we have been searching for an apartment here in the UK, but it has been so difficult for us to get what we really want. What we have been seeing, it's either the terms and conditions are something that we cannot agree with. Most of the houses we see here, even though it's a two-bedroom apartment, all we hear from the landlord or from the agent is that they do not require people that have family, or they do not require people that have kids. Can you imagine that? Or the rent is high, or where it is located is a place that is too far from where we have activities going on. So guys, come with me. Let me show you how the house is before we start setting it up. And also at the end of this video, I'll be disclosing the amount we rented this apartment. We just got to the estate where the house is located at, and now we are driving to our own block. One good thing I love about this house is the fact that it has an amazing back view where you can see train passing. Here we are at the apartment, and we are going to be accessing the main building using the exit door because we have some boxes we need to drop inside. And here is my hubby, he'll be the one showing us around. We are now inside the flat. When you open the door, the first thing you will see is just a rack where you can hang your jacket, and also it has a small store where we can keep our boxes. So now let's take you guys to the two bedroom. Okay, here is the first room. This first room is an ensuite, meaning it has its own bathroom attached to it. This house is a furnished apartment, and everything inside the apartment are still very new. I think we are like the second occupier for this apartment. Here is the second room. This room is also very spacious. It has its own furniture as well. The window blind is so beautiful. I love the wallpaper. It also has a wardrobe. Even though the wardrobe is small, it is still something. And right in front of the second room is the bathroom. I love this bathroom because it is so spacious. It has a bathtub. Almost all houses in the UK has a bathtub, right? And it also has a mirror cabinet where you can keep your toiletries and other items. And here is the sitting room and the kitchen. One good thing I love about this kitchen is the fact that it has a door that demarcates the living room from the kitchen, so that anything you cook in the kitchen will remain in the kitchen. The aroma doesn't go to the sitting room, and with that, I am so happy about it. And this kitchen is my favorite place in this apartment. It has so many kitchen cabinets where you can store so many things. It also has an inbuilt refrigerator in the cabinet as well. It has a dishwasher and a washing machine all embedded inside the kitchen cabinet. It also has a control system that controls all the electrical appliances in the house, like the washing machine, dishwasher, refrigerator, freezer, the extractor fan, the hob, which is the gas, and the fan booster. So this switch is what controls everything in the house, and with this switch you can control what is on and what is turned off. One thing I love about UK houses is the fact that all their houses comes with this general oven where you can bake and grill. That's for someone like me that love to bake and grill. Unlike in South Korea, just almost all the houses we've seen only has a gas cooker without oven. So here we are at the sitting room, and this sitting room has cushion furniture that can be converted into a bed. So here is my hobby going through the manual to see how it works. And also from the sitting room, there's a door that leads to the corridor where you can see things happening outside. This is the main entrance that leads to the outside of the house. It can also lead you inside as well. And from this entrance, you can see how the estate looks like. And from here as well, you can walk to the playground where you can have fun with your kids and make friends. And also, parents can meet other parents, and it's really a good way to start, and I'm so happy about the whole thing. The playground is not really a big gang playground like that, but it is a very very good playground. And instead of you taking your child to children's center to play, at least they can even play here and receive fresh air. Not every time kids will be inside. And one good thing I love about this house is the fact that it is very, very close to stores like Tesco, Asda, Lidl, and most of these stores you can buy grocery shopping. In fact, the Tesco one is just a stone throw from the house. Just walk in there 5 minutes and you are good to go. You're going to shop and buy everything you want to buy. You don't have to start traveling long distance before you get what you want to buy. And this is just one good thing I love about this fact, about this house. And I am so happy to be here. After a long day of touring and shopping for the house, we just decide to come back home, make small dinner, eat, have fun, and pray. So, guys, if you find this video interesting, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one.